Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete beginner's tutorial on how to use the Monday.com mobile app, whether you're on an iPhone or Android. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create boards, manage tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay productive, all directly from your phone. Alright, let's get started. First, what is Monday.com? Monday.com is a cloud-based work management app that helps teams plan, track, and collaborate on projects using one visual platform. It allows users to manage tasks, timelines, automations, and team workflows efficiently on both web and mobile devices. To install the app, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Monday.com. Once you find the app, tap the Install or Download button. The download may take a few moments, so please be patient. After the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When the app opens, you'll land on the welcome page where you'll see two options: log in and create new account. If you already have a Monday.com account, tap Log in and sign into your account. If you're new to the app, tap Create New Account to sign up. It's completely free. On the sign up page, you'll see three options: sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or sign up with an email address. Choose the option that works best for you. Next, the app may ask you a few onboarding questions. You can answer them or skip them if you prefer. After that, you'll be prompted to allow notifications so the app can send you alerts and updates. You'll also receive a verification email. Simply open it and tap the Yes, It's Me button. Once the sign-up process is complete, you'll be taken to the home screen, where you can see your recent boards and updates. Before we jump into creating tasks, let's quickly understand the app layout. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see four main tabs: Home, your quick access dashboard; My Work, your personal and upcoming tasks; Notifications, where you receive updates and team activity; More, account settings, app preferences, and workspace options. This is where you'll be navigating about 90% of the time. Now let's create a project board. Go back to the Home tab and tap the plus button. From here, you can choose to create a board from scratch or select one of the available templates. Let's select Create New Board to start from scratch. On the board, you can fill in your project details. Enter your task or product name in the item column, add updates in the updates section, assign a person from the person column, choose a status from the status column, and add a date from the date column. You can also add more columns by tapping Add Column on the right side and choosing from the available column types. To view more column options, tap See All Columns at the bottom. This will open the column center. Please note that not all column types are available on the Monday.com mobile app. You can edit the labels in a status column by tapping any status box and selecting Add or Edit Labels. Now let's add an active status and assign it a blue color. Tap New Label at the bottom, change the color to blue and name it Active. You can also delete a status by tapping Edit, selecting the minus icon, and then tapping Delete Label. Once you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. To view additional information and activity related to your board, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From here, you can collapse or expand groups, zoom the board, view the activity log, delete the board, and more. To give your board a name and description, tap the text at the top of the screen. This will take you to the board info page where you can add your board name, description, and board type. To add a task to the board, tap Item and type your task name. For example, Send Report. Then assign a person, select a status, and add a due date. These options help you track your tasks visually. Monday.com also lets you change how you view your board. On the board, tap the View icon. Some popular views include Table, Calendar, Kanban, Timeline, Map, Cards, Files. These views help teams visualize work in the way they prefer. If you want to invite a team member, go to the Home tab and tap the person with plus icon in the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person, select a role, member, viewer, or guest, and then tap Send Invite. Next, let's look at My Work tab. This section automatically gathers all tasks assigned to you across all boards and organizes them by due date. You can filter tasks by today, past dates, this week, next week, later, or tasks without a date. If you're overwhelmed with tasks, this page can really save you a lot of time. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll find notifications, mentions, comments from your team, status changes, updates on tasks you follow. You can swipe to mark notifications as read or tap one to open the related task. It's a great way to stay updated without constantly opening each board. Finally, move to the More tab. Here you can change account settings, profile photo, notifications, language, password. You'll also find the Monday.com support and feedback section if you need help or run into any issues with the app. And that's a complete beginner's guide to the Monday.com mobile app for iOS and Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like a full tutorial on automations, dashboards, or team collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.